Get ready now. Stand on your hands and toes. Alternately touch your shoulders with your opposite hands. 40 seconds. It's almost done. Lie face down. Stand on your hands and toes, keeping your body in a straight line. Lower down, then push yourself back. 40 seconds. It's almost done. Stand in front of a chair. Stand a big step away in front of the chair. As you bend your knees, lower your hips. Keep your arms straight and grip the front edges of a chair. Lower your body until your arms form 90-degree angle, then push yourself back up. 40 seconds. It's almost done. Hold a dumbbell in each hand. Hold the dumbbells at shoulder level by bending your elbows. Then raise the dumbbells over your head by extending your arm. 40 seconds. It's almost done.